In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an eBay order as a PDF. If you need to save a copy of one of your past eBay purchases for your records, reimbursement, accounting, or just for easy reference later, this process is very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by signing in to your eBay account and going to your purchase history section under My eBay. This is where eBay keeps a list of the items you've bought, so it's the best place to locate a specific transaction. Take a moment to scroll through your purchases and find the exact order you want to save. If you have a long history, it may help to carefully check the item title, date, or seller information so you open the correct transaction. Once you've found the right purchase, click View Order Details. This opens the full order page where you can see the important information connected to that transaction. Depending on the order, this page may include the item information, price, shipping details, and other purchase-related records. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you're looking at the right order, especially if you plan to use the PDF for documentation. Next, look toward the top right area of the page window and click the print link. Even though the option says print, you do not actually need to print anything on paper. This step simply opens your browser's print dialog, which also gives you the option to create a digital copy instead. In the print window, find the printer destination setting. By default, this may be set to your local printer, so you'll need to change it. Select Save as PDF as the destination. This tells your computer to create a downloadable PDF version of the order details rather than sending it to a physical printer. After selecting Save as PDF, continue with the Save option in the print window and choose where you want the file stored on your device. Pick a location that's easy to remember, such as your Downloads folder or a dedicated Receipts folder, so you can find it later without searching. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your eBay order as a PDF. If you plan to save multiple orders, using clear file names and organized folders can make your records much easier to manage over time.